In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll move from a quick Google search to managing your site's design and permissions, all in a clear, efficient flow. Start by opening your browser and searching for Squarespace on Google. Click the official Squarespace result to land on the homepage. It's a good habit to double-check the URL so you know you're on the real site before signing in. On the homepage, look for the profile icon in the upper right corner and click it to sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll see your account options right away. Once you're in, head to your account dashboard. This is your control center, where you can access sites, settings, and billing. From the dashboard, choose Website to view and open the site you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see a list. Select the relevant one to enter its backend. The interface may vary slightly depending on your template, but the core navigation will feel familiar. Inside your site, use the search feature to move quickly. You'll typically find a search bar at the top or in the left sidebar. Type Buttons in the search field to jump straight to your button settings without digging through multiple menus. This is a great time saver, especially on larger sites. Open the Buttons result to review your site-wide button settings. Here you can fine-tune how buttons look across your pages. Think styles, sizes, labels, and alignment, so everything stays consistent. Use the built-in preview to check changes before committing, and, if available, switch between desktop and mobile previews to ensure readability and spacing look right on smaller screens. When you're happy, save or apply your changes. If your template supports global styles, remember that updates here can affect multiple pages at once, which is exactly what you want for consistent branding. Next, confirm that only the right people can make changes to your site. Navigate to Settings, open Permissions and Ownership, and go to Permissions. Review who currently has access and what role they have. Keep roles minimal, owner and administrator for top-level control, and editor access only for those who need to update content. You can adjust roles, remove outdated access, or send new invitations with the correct role from the start. This helps prevent accidental edits and keeps your recent design changes protected. Before you wrap up, check for any unsaved changes and confirm everything looks good on a live preview. Today, you searched for Squarespace with Google, signed in, opened your account dashboard, navigated to your website, quickly found and adjusted button settings, and verified permissions to keep your site secure. Thanks for watching, and happy building!